Old Generals welcomes you. Enjoy the animal world. On this edition of Enjoy the Animal World, we will be highlighting the consequences for lion and buffalo interactions. The difficulty that buffalo pose to lions is unlike that of other wild animals. Many times, buffalo have prevailed in buffaloes and lions conflicts. However, this time around, this sighting is an example of a flawless execution of a hunt for buffalo, which shows that lions can be exceptionally skilled hunters, cleverly separating the cow with calf from the herd of buffalo bulls. These lions attack the cow and calf without worrying that the large bulls might strike back. In a dramatic display of loyalty, the cow made numerous attempts to drive the lions away from the newborn calf, which repeatedly prompted the lions to charge at her in an aggressive manner, before the lions finally split, with some focusing on the calf and others on the cow. This ding-dong duel went on for a while. As pitiful as it may, this is part of nature. This sighting is showing the brutal reality of nature. This pride of lions seemed to be attacking at full force and for a kill. Had the buffalo not been separated from its herd, perhaps buffalo camaraderie would have deterred the lions, as usual. The cow is trying hard, but it is all on its own. Even though African buffaloes are usually highly capable of defending themselves and have few predators to worry about except humans, large crocodiles and lions, sometimes nature reaches its most merciless. This time the buffalo is brought down by lions and then eaten along with her newborn calf. Today is the lion's lucky day, even though this is pretty gruesome and sad for a young life to be taken before it has a chance to experience the wild, especially when you consider the hardships the mother endured trying to defend a new life. But this is nature at its best. The battle between lions and buffaloes is a win-win situation. However, on this sighting, it is the lion's lucky day. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.